Hey everyone, it's Olaf Texas again, and today I'm gonna be showing you my Greek yogurt chicken recipe. This is my first time of making this recipe, and those ingredients we are going to be using today is we're going to be using our onions. Apart from our onions, we're going to be using our nor. Apart from our nor, we're going to be using salt. We're going to be using chicken with a drumstick, depending on what kind of chicken you want. You might be using the chicken breast, you might be using anything. You can even have your wings, for this particular recipe. I'm gonna have 1 cup of Greek yogurt. We're gonna have 2 tablespoons of olive oil. We're gonna have 2 cloves garlic miced. I'm gonna have a tablespoon of lemon juice. I'm gonna have a tablespoon of dry oregano, a tablespoon of dry thyme, 1 tablespoon of paprika, and a little bit of pepper. And after cutting our onions, the first thing we want to do is we want to add our nor. Once you're done adding your nor, the next thing you want to do is add a little bit of salt, like you can see right there. I'm adding my salt, and you don't want to add a whole lot of salt. You just want to add it to taste. You just at times you might add like a pinch or two, but depending on how you don't. The most important thing is you don't want your chicken salty, and this is the part where we had our olive oil. What you just need is 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and once you're done adding your 2 tablespoons of olive oil, at this point in time I'm adding a little bit of dry pepper. Once you're done with that, you want to add a little bit of oregano. And once you're done adding your oregano, you want to add your garlic. After your garlic, you want to take your time a little bit. You want to add your after your garlic, you want to add the diced you want to add your thyme. You want to, apart from your thyme, you want to add a little bit of curry to it. And that's me right there, adding my paprika to it. And once you're done with all of that, this is the point in time where you have to mix everything together. Mix all those spices all together. And once you're done adding everything together, and for the most part, like this is the part where I have to let this guy marinate overnight. For this particular recipe, I didn't add my yogurt immediately. I did wait for the next day to add my yogurt, but this is where after mixing all together, this is just to make sure that the marination process goes up as planned. Mix everything up together and make sure everything is intact. And literally, some people marinate it for like 2-3 hours, but mine was overnight. And the next thing I did was add my Greek yogurt. Add your Greek yogurt to it, and once you're done adding your Greek yogurt to it, let it sit on the cover it again for another 1 hour. And that's it right there. Just paste this around and let it do what it has to do. Yeah. A whole lot of people will ask like how much of Greek yogurt you have to put add to your chicken. I'll just say a cup should be fine. And this is my chicken right there on the grill. For the most part, because of the Greek yogurt, I really don't want that guy to burn. So for the most part, I did put a 4 paper first on the grill, put a 4 sheet on the grill first, let everything steam up together, cover it in between, but don't forget at the same time to apply, use a brush to apply your Greek yogurt to your chicken, for especially those parts that didn't get it. So you have to make sure, like here, you apply your Greek yogurt to the chicken on all sides. I want to thank you all for your support towards my channel. You guys are really helping out. You guys are really doing a good job. I really want to appreciate everything. Right there in the comment section, just put down there where you are watching this video from. You guys are really doing a good job, and I really want to support again. I appreciate what you guys are doing. Yeah, cover your chicken, let it steam up a little bit. Then in between, check it out at intervals. That way it doesn't stick to the floor sheet. If you have to add a little bit of olive oil, you can add it. But the most important part is like we don't let our chicken stick, to our foil sheet. Once that is done, this is the part whereby we put it on the grill itself. So right there, look at that guy is all looking, they're all looking really, really good. And after about a few minutes, you want to, serve your bake you got chicken. I'm having mine with fried rice. That is it right there. I want to thank you all for your support. And if you've not subscribed, you can also subscribe to watch more. Thanks again.